guys, what is up? It is Trina and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and have never seen me before, please be sure to subscribe down below and like this video so I know that you enjoy these types of videos. Today I am bringing to you a first impressions video of some new makeup I picked up from Ulta. I made a trip there yesterday and I picked some new things up, well, not a lot, but a couple of new products that I've never tried before and that I want to share with you all today. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you the products really quickly of what I picked up. I normally just pick up the travel size, like the small sizes of products before I actually get to try them because makeup products are expensive and I don't want to spend a bunch of money on stuff that I probably won't like. Fingers crossed that I'll like these products. But anyways, for starters, I got the Pearl Primer from from Benefit, sorry. And I talked about this in one of my makeup videos here on my channel. I'm super excited to try this because it says that it's going to give me a radiant look, which I am all for. Next up, I picked up the NYX Tame and Frame Eyebrow Pomade in the shade... I just want to say, brunette. The shade brunette. My boyfriend thought I was in the shade blonde, but I don't think so. I'm excited to try this though because I have heard good things about it before on the YouTube realm of everything. So I also just ran out of my Anastasia Brow Wiz and I don't really feel like spending $21 on eyebrow stuff when they are in need of getting done right now too, which is great. But I also picked up some of my dry shampoo. I've never actually tried this scent. I normally just get when I say the Clean and Fresh one, it's blue and that's the one that I've always used. But this one smells super, super good. It smells like summer and I wish it was summer, so therefore I bought it. Next up, I got this Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Curl and Hold Mascara. Casey Holmes talked about this in one of her videos, so I knew that I had to pick it up. Essence is one of my favorite brands of makeup because they are so affordable and their products are actually amazing. Like similar to Wet n Wild, their products are just to die for. This is the wand and I'm super excited to try this out because I'm always on the hunt for new mascaras. So now that y'all know what we're starting with, let's just go ahead and actually get started. So let's open this puppy up. 90% said complexion looked brighter, 91% said it minimized the look of pores, and 96% of customers said it created a soft matte radiance. Oh, and then it even has like more information. That's cute, but I don't need that. This packaging is so cute. It reminds me of Barbie. Okay, I don't need all this. Thank you. Okay, so the consistency is almost kind of pink. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I always just put... I don't like to wear a lot of primer because I feel like it can essentially make your face greasy. So I always just put it on my problem areas. Let me know where you guys like to put yours because I've seen some people put it like everywhere. But I just don't think I need all that. So next up, I will be going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I am in the shade Soft Beige. I am taking a break from my Kat Von D stuff because I just feel like, I don't know, I just want a break from it. So I'm going back in with this foundation that came out, I want to say it came out last year. I don't know, but YouTube made me buy it. I'll say that. I feel like this shade might be a little too dark for my skin because once I rub it in, it still looks a little orange. But concealer shall fix that, friends. Something I also noticed about this foundation, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the foundation is warm on my skin. Like whenever I rub it in, even if it's with a beauty blender, because I like to switch off every now and then, the consistency feels like warm. I don't know why, but whatever. And if you guys are wondering, I have my mirror right here so I can actually see what I'm doing. And I should probably have a headband on for this part, but oh well. Oh, okay, it's looking super orange in the camera. I promise it does not look like that in person. I am breaking out a lot too because it's that time, but whatever. Concealer, right? I just like to blend that in really good. Some people claim that this foundation is full coverage, but I would have to say that I do not believe in that. As you can tell, my freckles are showing through and my blemishes. It's definitely buildable, but I don't really like doing that just because my skin is sensitive the way it is, you know? Alright. So, moving on, I kind of wish that I had a new concealer to try, like the Tarte Shape and Tape, but I'm not ready to break my bank on that just yet. But I'm just real generous with this. Gotta put it everywhere, you know? Sometimes if I'm desperate enough and like haven't got my eyebrows done in a while, I'll put it up there. But maybe it'll just be a reminder to get them done. I also picked up a new beauty blender. Sorry, I forgot to share that. But I don't think it's time to bust that out yet. There's an eyelash. Okay, so now that my concealer is all blended out, it is time to move on to powder. I have been baking lately, but today I don't really feel like it as I don't have much to do. I just have to go to work later. So once again, I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and I just put this everywhere where it needs to go. With my big Real Techniques brush. In case you're wondering, Ulta is currently having some good sales. Real Techniques is having buy two, get one free. And I should have taken advantage of it, but I don't really necessarily need new brushes or anything. So I just kind of passed on that opportunity. Let's do eyebrows now. I'm super nervous that this won't be the right shade and that I'll have to redo it. Take it back. Okay, look how cute the packaging is though. Like, I'll give them an A+ on this. Alright, let's see. I have never actually tried a pomade. I always just pick up the Anastasia Brow Wiz, which is like the pencil type of thing. But anyways, I'm going to be going in with my Luxie 215 brush. It is a tiny little, I think it's for eyeshadow, but we're just gonna lie and say that it's for my brows. Ooh, how much do I even need for this? I'm nervous. Okay, so I want to say that the color is spot on. I think I picked up too much product though. So this, I don't really know how I feel about this. I just really need to get my eyebrows waxed. That's a must. It looks nice though. My eyebrows never look this defined, so I think that's just like something I'm going to have to get used to. I don't know. Maybe this is a look. What's next, you guys? Let's do some eyeshadow. So for my base, sorry guys, or my eyeshadow primer, I just used the Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base. Once again, Essence is my fave. And I just do this with my finger. So to set that, I will be going in with, let's see, the Firma 201 brush. I got this in an Ipsy bag, and I love it. I'm going to be going in with the Urban Decay Naked palette, and I will be using the shade Pregame. It is this banana color right here, and just putting that all over the lid to set that. The three main eyeshadow palettes I use are the Carly by Belle, the Naked, and this Revolution palette. My sister got me this for Christmas, and I have been loving it, but just a fair warning, you need to wet your brush before you go in, because sometimes has a hard time picking up pigment, but that's alright because I like to do that anyways. Guys, look how destroyed this palette is. Like, I need a new one. I hit pan on this first shade a long time ago, and I inhaled it. And I need to pick up another one, but, you know, who has time for that? I'm just going in with the e.l.f. eye crease brush and taking the shade Faith from the Naked palette and just putting that in my crease. And then I'm just going in with my e.l.f. blending brush and just blending that all out. So for today, I think I want to go in with some purpley shades like this, the shade Instinct from this palette, that one. But I also am kind of feeling glittery. Let's see. I'm just going to go in with this brush that I got from Amazon. It is from like a brush set. And just kind of pack that on. So next up, I'm going to be taking this pink shade right here, or this gold glittery shade. They look super pretty in the pan, but it's kind of hard to get them out. I'm just going to be using my Mario Badescu spray. And I'm just going to go in for that golden glitter. And put that all over. There we go. That's from the Carly by Belle palette. So I'm going to go back in with that same blending brush from e.l.f. just to make sure there are no hard lines. And then with the shade that I totally have hit pan in, I'm going to brighten up the inner corner because I always need that. And then take it into my brow. I'm going to go in with this tiny little brush from the same set that the Amazon brush set is from. And I'm going to be going back in with that shade Faith from the Naked palette and putting that on my lower lash line. Going in with my butter bronzer. I live for this stuff. It is in the shade Light Bronzer. I have heard though that the medium bronzer works better than the light, but we are sticking with this because it is so pretty. It smells so good, and I love this stuff. Like, look at that. That acne is still showing through, whatever. I kind of wish that my hair was still a little blonder because I feel like that would make my eyebrows look a little better. But oh well. Okay, now for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. I also saw this one from Kathleen Lights. It was in her drugstore favorite highlighters video. And I was like, oh girl, I gotta get my hands on that. So I did. I got my hands on it. And I do love this stuff. I can't wait for summer to roll around so I can really rock it. Like, look at that. And they also have a couple other shades that I would like to pick up from the drugstore. Almost done, you guys. So I'm going to go in with my eyelash curler. This is just a cheapy one from the drugstore. And do my eyelashes, and I will be right back. The formula seems really nice. And it does not feel heavy on my lashes. I think that I will like this mascara. I just wish that it was more volumizing. But I mean, like I said, I've never found a mascara that can make my eyelashes look as good as Falsies. So, oh well. And then I'm going to just go in with my Vaseline Lip Therapy Advanced Healing and put that all over my lips. Going to be going in with my favorite Revlon Balm Stain. I've talked about this before on my channel. It's in the shade 1 Honey Don't Try. And I love this stuff. And then to set all of this, I would normally go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. But I'm almost out of it and I don't want to waste it because this stuff is like gold. And I should have picked some more up at Ulta, but guess who wasn't thinking? Me. So I'm just going to go in with my Mario Badescu spray once again and just spray that all over. So there you guys have it. My first impressions of a couple products from Ulta. I have that stuff in my mouth and it does not taste all that great, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know what you think down below and let me know if these brows are a thing or if I should just not make them a thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe and comment down below on what you would like to see next. And please like this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.